This is Evan from Decent Traders. I traded AERC this time, and I had a green day over here. First trade ended up being a relative loss here. Wasn't too much to go over, but I went in for a short just as this basically just a breakdown over here after this huge bearish bar. I went in for a short here. And instead of just instantly breaking down more as a possibility, instead it slightly goes back up. It looks very obvious to test this EMA here, so I decided that I would just get out right here, take this small loss, and then get the better entry point instead of just holding it and then having it go up there and then go down. I thought that one might have been a better situation and would have been more safe if it decides to squeeze up instead. Unfortunately, that does not happen, and it just just looks like I got shaken out here and then goes right back down. So instead, I just go in for another entry point, another short position. This was just to just continue this breaking down trend, obviously, and most of the time it worked, but here it just does a slight reversal, and I basically attempted the same psychology through here that I did over here. I was looking to just get out over here and get a better entry point instead, just take another small loss, get a better entry point, and still have it break down to just make that profit all back. But instead, I decided to hold on to this and have it go up to this EMA and let it bounce down as it usually would do, as through my experience. But this EMA does not bounce it down. Instead, this one does. And basically, it looks like I took a huge risk, but in reality, I kind of had this all planned out. And I didn't really think I would. My strategy would fail like 3 times in a row. So instead, it does eventually just keep on breaking down and have this falling trend, and that's where I basically take my profits. And obviously, this win is clearly huger than this loss, making it a green day.